post-game press conference, we are joined by the best player of the game, Junmar Fajardo, and winning head coach Leo Austria. Hi, Coach Leo, once again. Back-to-back wins on your way back. Congratulations. Ano po yung assessment nyo on your import? And of course, paano na iba yung rotation ninyo having a new import and new as head coach?
I think dapat alamin natin na yung import kaunting panahon lang yung dinugol niya sa ensayo namin. And then he's trying to adapt the system that we have in the Philippines. And slowly, nakikita niya na this is our game plan. And then I'm so happy with him dahil makikita ko naman nandun yung ini-expect namin niya, yung pagka-hard worker. And then ang dami niya natulad na gawa na doon, especially yung mga putback. And that's one thing na kailangan namin masustain dahil in the previous tournament, so we didn't have a player like him. And if you notice, the second chance points namin, mas mataas sa kanila. But I'm not yet too happy, because yung turnover namin mataas. And then a little bit of a scrapping in the first quarter. But kahit pa sa manlaro, panalo pa, kahit pa po niya, a win is a win. And what's more, if it is more than 10 points.
Thanks, Coach. Junmar, kamusta? Kanina nag-usap tayo. You're feeling under the weather at may sakit ka. But getting best player today, tapos double-double pa and multiple assists, sa mga araw na ganito, paano mo pin-push yung sarili?
Take for over na, Coach. Wala ka naman. So, nabigyan mo na nandiyan sa sige mo. Kailangan ito siya yung sarili. Kailangan gusto nila rin manalo. Natalo kami mahirap na. So, ayun, collective effort siya sa national team, sa office staff, sa mga players. So, kailangan manalo.
We're now opening the floor to media with any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Another win.
Thank you.
Coach, nakakawa na ba? Medyo hindi ka na nakakaba after 2 or 3 days.
Well, kung i-assist ko yung sarili ko, I'm not yet there. Actually, going to the game, medyo kinakabahan ako because in the last two nights, I was not able to sleep well, thinking of the game. Because if you know na I just over the team a couple of days ago, and I have only one practice to prepare after a game against Terra Firma. So kindly hard for a coach. Because it's hard to coach if you don't know all the things na you want your players to do. And usually, especially sa mga play, and mabuti na lang. So yung bread and butter namin of plays, so it's still there, nami-memory pa, medyo mataas ang kanilang mga memory card. And then, ayun, I think, yun ang isang isang a key kung bakit kami. And at the same time, so at the start of the game, I want to be deliberate and methodical. And they know what to do. And then there's a lot of players in the bench na capable of playing, but I'm looking for a good combination. And nire-reward ko yung mga player na nasa loob, talagang really working hard. And then nakita natin how Andreas kahilig played. He's not in the starter of the bench siya. Last pa nga siya yata nung pinasok ko. But yun ang sinasabi ko, I have to define the role of the player. And that's his role. One more, he's a two-way player. He can play defense and you cannot leave him wide open.
Coach, aside from nahilig, nakita natin si Mariano, si Cross, nasa medyo heavy minutes din. So ito na ba yung parang sabi mo rotation mo or you're still figuring it out?
The rotation medyo kumonte because of the kind of personnel of our opponents. Kahilig was there. for a longer minutes because of George King. And nobody could do better than Kahilig in our team. And we tried our report from the start, but nakita naman, nagbigay siya ng 4 na 4 points. Ganyan, and that's huge. And then we switched to Kahilig and it worked. Yan. And then, ayun na sinasabi ko sa team ko na may kanya-kanyang role eh. Kaya I don't have to please any one of them, ano, as long as na we're after sa W. And maintindihan nila in the future. But those players na hindi nagagamit in the future will be having other play time. It depends on our opponent.
Coach, i-ESL lang ata yung next game yun, tama ba? Ikaw rin ang mag-handle mo?
Yeah, on Wednesday. Ako yata.
Pero, kasi yun nata yung next game nyo, Eastern pareho eh.
Yeah, start on Wednesday sa Hong Kong. And then pagbalik dito, sila na naman ang kalaban namin. And then naglaro kami dito. Ayun, kumustahan na naman kami. Long time no siya.
Pero paano yung coach? Yung part of your rin yun, no? Parang feeling out dahil nasa...
No, para sa akin, every game, especially with this team na San Miguel, so there's a lot of pride there. And we should be ready, and prepared against because yung mga fans namin talagang always expecting a lot from us. And we cannot rest or but syempre, ang natin dito yung game natin dito, but isa medyo malaki rin pwedeng ibigay sa team. We're not carrying only our team San Miguel. It is the PBA and in our country, and we should play accordingly. And then kailangan medyo talagang may class ang ibibigay natin.
27 points, 22 rebounds. Last time parang 19 rebounds data. So, dahil pa Coach Leo, kaya yung numbers mo, maganda-ganda.
Normal sa kanya yun.
And then, thankful also for his coach, Pops, also, and kasi and yung mga team is gonna step up. Hindi lang ako, the whole team step up. So, sana tuloy-tuloy.
Ate.
Mama, Papa, Kevin Lawrence, Museo, Lugat Ding, Kevin J. Garwash, House of Kraken, Stencil Farming, Bigoy, Oscar, syempre, mga natin ang umahan, taga Cebu, maraming salamat sa support, sa mga fans na yung San Miguel, sa support sa mga fans na PBA, sa patuloy natin yung support sa PBA, and sana healthy tayo, at family natin, pagdating na Christmas sa
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations